Hey, it's April from OTH Crochet Nook, and today's video is all about embroidery. Take a look at these gorgeous floral embroidery projects. All of these three came in one kit that I purchased from Amazon. I will link it down below. But today's video, I'm going to talk about the back of your embroidery project. I'm going to show you how easy it is to finish these and make them look just as neat as this, to gift these and have them not look as messy as the back. So opening this kit, I just want to show you how amazing these are because they come with every single thing you need with the hoop and also with all of these instructions. So this is perfect for beginners. There are tons of videos online that show you how to do embroidery stitches, but there is a picture guide in here that shows you how to do each one for each of these hoops. So once you open the fabric, you're going to see all the thread that you need. And now that I've completed all of the three floral embroidery hoops, I will say that I do not have much thread left. So it gives you the exact amount of thread you need. And the pattern is printed on the fabric. How easy is that? So again, perfect for beginners. And really, I just had so much fun doing this. This is for one of my friends, for her daughter's room. They're going to be putting it up on a wall. So as much as the front is just as important, the back, I wanted it to look as neat as possible, even though she's hanging it up on the wall. So we are going to get right to it. So here is what the back of these embroidery projects look like. A little bit messy, and honestly, you can totally leave them like this and just do the first step that I'm about to show you. But here is what you need to do. You're going to take your needle and some embroidery thread, and really it doesn't matter what color you're using because nobody is going to see this color. But you're going to weave this through about 1/2 inch apart and about 1/2 inch away from the plastic hoop, just like that. And you're going to do it all the way around. And I'm going to show you some magic once you get to the end because it's super easy once you pull those two ends. But the last one you're going to weave in, you're going to make sure that you weave it through and then you put it towards the front. So that way both ends of your embroidery thread are facing that way. So you can let go of that needle, just remove it, it's not needed anymore. So what we're going to do is take those two ends, that's your beginning embroidery thread and the last end of your embroidery thread, and we're going to pull it, and you're going to see how easy this just pulls together. So it brings all your fabric to the back, and you're going to want to make sure that you double knot that thread, and you can absolutely just fasten off those ends and cut them shorter. But again, nobody's going to see this because once you see how I do it, it is all hidden underneath. You're going to take some scissors and just kind of trim around that fabric. Again, this is optional, but I do find it's less bulky underneath if you do this. And now you're going to trace your embroidery hoop on some felt. I used an off-white color. You can use any color you want. Again, this is at the back, but I wanted it to kind of match a little bit with the color of the fabric. So then you're going to cut out this circle, and I like to cut it a little bit smaller than what I traced. So that way it kind of fits perfectly at the back of this embroidery hoop because we want it to be just short of that plastic hoop at the back. So you're going to see what I mean as soon as we're done here. So we're going to remove that felt and we're going to place it on top of this hoop. So I usually like to just clean up those ends because they're a little jaggedy sometimes. Then you're just going to take your glue gun and you are just going to put dots of glue, making sure that your glue is against the plastic hoop. You don't want this glue to seep through to the front of your project because that would completely ruin it. So we want to make sure we put tiny dabs of glue just around where the plastic hoop is, and that is really it. So I've seen other videos where you can seam the felt onto the fabric, and you can absolutely do that instead of using a glue gun. But I decided to do it this way, and as long as you glue against the plastic hoop, you're good to go. So that really is it, and it looks so perfect and ready to go and be delivered and gifted to whoever you are giving this to. What a lucky person that is. Here are the other hoops that I finished. I love filming this technique of when the fabric folds through. I just love it so much. So that is how easy it is, and that is how perfect your embroidery hoops can look at the back and of course at the front. I will link this kit down below. It is from Amazon. It is very budget friendly and so beginner friendly. If you have never embroidered, you can absolutely do these. They are so easy and everything you need comes with it. I love having kits so you don't have to worry about buying separate things. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. All my patterns are always free. Crochet, knit, everything you can think of. othcrochetnook.ca. Check it out. See you next time.